Ready, start. The number of internet shutdowns in India was slightly lower in 2024 than in 2023, according to the Software Freedom Law Center within bracket SLFC bracket close, India's annual report full stop. A separate report by the Web Rights Advocacy, Access Now, shows that India continues to lead globally in the number of government-ordered internet shutdowns. Full stop. The Union government has maintained that mobile internet shutdown is an indispensable instrument in the toolkit to control law and order situations. Full stop. Most of the internet used in India is mobile. Full stop. A closer examination of the shutdowns imposed even over the last year reveals some disturbing data. 41 of the 84 shutdowns in India in 2024 were imposed during protests, compared to the 23 that were imposed for communal classes. Full stop. Five were even issued for cheating during examinations. Full stop. In situations on the brink of violence where rapidly spreading disinformation may swerve out of control of the authorities, there may be a case for considering restrictions on communications. Full stop. But no shutdown is without a cost. Thus, the delayed information regarding violence can also impede fast response. Full stop. The Supreme Court of India recognized this when it ruled, in Anuradha Bhasin versus Union of India, that each shutdown must meet the tests of necessity and proportionality. Full stop. Internet shutdown impedes people's livelihoods, access to medical care and education. Full stop. It is a blunt weapon, and the least the government could do is to measure its impact and use it sparingly. Full stop. The government has been urged on preparing such an assessment for years, but no headway has been made here. Full stop. Even for those in favor of retaining shutdowns as a tool in the repertory of emergency policing, the process being followed is cause for alarm. Full stop. Many a time, as Access Now and SFLC report, there is no valid order uploaded on government websites detailing the duration and the causes in detail, as required by the telecommunications within bracket temporary suspension of services bracket close rules, 2024 and its preceding rules of 2017. Full stop. Ideally, every shutdown should be followed by a somber examination of whether it was necessary and what its deployment cost was. Full stop. The ideal number of internet shutdowns in any country is zero. Full stop. It is especially troubling that 296 of them were imposed on millions around the world last year. Full stop. India's case shows that there is an urgent need for circumspection and restraint. Full stop. The internet shutdowns index is, after all, one of the indices in which India should not aspire to lead. Full stop. Recent human fatalities due to wild animal attacks, deep inside forests, in forest fringed human habitations, and even within villages, have highlighted growing human wildlife conflict in Kerala, where nearly 29% of the land is forested. Full stop. With a dry spell and an unusually hot summer expected, urgent measures are needed to prevent further escalation of this conflict, which now has political, social, and environmental dimensions. Full stop. The Kerala government is facing criticism for its perceived inability to manage wildlife. Full stop. Groups such as the Kerala Independent Farmers Association within bracket KIFA bracket close and sections of the church advocate for culling wildlife, comma, citing an alleged population boom, full stop. However, comma, forest department data suggest otherwise, full stop. The wild elephant population, comma, linked to 18% of human fatalities, comma, has declined by 7%, full stop. Snake bites, comma, responsible for 75% of wildlife related deaths, comma, have fallen from 113 in 2012 to 34 in 2023, full stop. Overall, comma, human deaths from wildlife encounters have decreased from 146 in 2018 to 57 last year, full stop. Yet, comma, this is no cause for complacency, full stop. A concerning trend is that many victims are from tribal communities, comma, traditionally adept at coexisting with wildlife, full stop. The government should investigate this as part of its newly announced mission to document and assess the traditional knowledge of Kerala's 36 tribal communities in tackling wildlife encounters. Full stop. There are also several anthropogenic factors, full stop. Habitat fragmentation, comma, particularly in elephant corridors such as Aralam Farm within bracket Kannur bracket close and Chinook Canal within bracket Iduki bracket close, comma, has forced animals into human settlements, full stop. Unregulated tourism, comma, cattle grazing near forests, comma, encroachments, comma, and food waste dumping on forest fringes further exacerbate the issue, full stop. Invasive plants within bracket Senna spectabilis bracket close and monoculture industrial plantations have also disrupted wildlife feeding patterns, full stop. In response, comma, the Kerala government, comma, in 2022, comma, empowered local bodies to eliminate feral wild boars damaging farmland, full stop. Last year, comma, the cabinet classified human wildlife conflict as a state specific disaster, comma, allowing the disaster management authority to intervene, full stop. The government's decision to emphasize participatory forest and wildlife management is a step in the right direction, comma, given the extreme views propagated by some sections, full stop. The forest department has restored 5031 hectares of natural forest and built ponds and check dams, full stop. However, comma, restoring areas dominated by industrial plantations such as eucalyptus and acacia is a challenge, full stop. While solar fencing has shown some success, comma, the 252 crore elephant proof wall at Aralam, comma, one of 12 conflict landscapes, comma, remains incomplete, full stop. The state's 10 missions to mitigate human wildlife conflict must be prioritized, full stop. Given the region specific nature of the problem, comma, a multi-agency approach involving the disaster management, comma, revenue, comma, local self-government, comma, tribal welfare, comma, agriculture, comma, health and forest departments is crucial to balancing human safety and sustainable wildlife management, full stop.